Hello and welcome to the interview today. I'm here at the Forward AM Technologies headquarters in Heidelberg. Forward AM is a long partner of Farsoon, almost a decade. Together with me joining is Stefan. He's the head of powder bed fusion at Forward AM.
Thank you, Markus. It's a pleasure to welcome you in Heidelberg today.
Thanks for having me. So Forward AM has been a partner of Farsoon for almost a decade. So as a powder supplier, your experience really plays a critical role in enabling many additive manufacturing across various industries. So can you share a little bit why Forward AM initially chose Farsoon technologies to start with this 2HT251P, which we see behind us, and how this partnership has evolved over the years?
As you said, the collaboration between Forward AM Technologies and Farsoon Technologies has started already about 10 years ago. So we have a very strong partnership for years. And we are happy to have you as a partner, as your machines are designed for maximum flexibility, open parameters and use for many different applications and materials that not only us but also our customers have been using and increasingly using since then. Those machines are like the one we have here, are not only a perfect R&D tool to develop materials, but those machines and also bigger machines are used by our clients for production scale-up, and this is what's happening today.
Oh, that's great. Thank you for that. So recently Forward AM decided to have another new system, a new Farsoon system, which is called the Flight SS403P. Can you talk a little bit how the decision came up to really choose that particular machine, and what does it bring to your process, and how does it fit to your upcoming innovations?
We chose Farsoon Flight technology as an addition to our operations here, as it's one of the fastest technologies to process thermoplastic powders in 3D printing today. The technology is especially suitable for a wide range of polymers in our portfolio. For example, polyamide, thermoplastic polyurethane, so a flexible material, but also polypropylene. And the features of Farsoon Flight technology are, for example, enhanced printing speed, so higher throughput, consistent quality, also the openness to choose materials and to change parameters for each industrial need. And this is exactly what our clients are looking for as they are scaling up. They want to reduce cost, and we see this as the ideal tool to exactly address that market demand. And what we plan with that machine is to generate a lot of processing data, because it's not like done with a compatibility check mark. We want to generate the technical data that's needed to qualify the application, but also the repeatability of the process to qualify the material machine combinations for serious industrial applications.
So, given your role as a performance materials producer, I can imagine the performance of the machine is very critical, and you have to ensure a certain quality and visibility of your materials. So what do you see as a main value of using Farsoon 3D technologies to really enhance your powder development process?
Farsoon machines are a tool used in our R&D department more or less every day. Those machines are ideal candidates for material development because we can put open materials in it, so we can use any material that we want. We can change the parameters as we wish, and we can even change parameters on the fly while printing. Also, the thermal calibration capabilities are far above industry standard, which allow us to enable development cycles of just a few days or even hours, so we can do multiple print checks of settings and formulations per day, and this gives us a competitive advantage in time to market and as an increase of the development cycle and more tailored materials for the target applications.
Oh, great! Thank you. That's quite a deep insight on that. So, if you talk about features, which specifically or particularly you are looking for to meet as a performance materials supplier the needs of a customer?
We have proven the combination of Farsoon Technologies hardware and our ultra-thin powder line in various industrial applications. Just to give an idea, one example is a computer mount that we developed for the company Canyon, which is used in world-class cycling events and withstands high pressure, high dynamic loads every day. And I think this is just an example for a scale production of thousands of parts that prove the performance of this machine-material combination. And I want to highlight that our material never wins a business or wins an application alone, because it's always the combination of hardware, of software, of parameters, and the material that makes the difference. And in this way, Farsoon Technologies teams and Forward AM teams are working closely together to develop those processes and also bring it to scale together with our clients.
Okay, mention the combination you just did. So if we look back at the materials, what brings Farsoon to you to meet your client expectations, your customer expectations in terms of materials, properties, performance, and things like that?
So in the end, we not only use Farsoon machines as a development and production tool. For us, it's also a quality tool, because each lot that we freshly produce for open SLS market is in the end tested on a Farsoon machine to make sure the printing performance and the part properties are exactly as specified, and the customers can rely on that data. So in that way, we provide the information needed from industrial users to meet the requirements in terms of material performance, but also in terms of consistency, which is well represented by those machines.
Oh, thank you. Reliability is really key. If we look at your ultra-thin portfolios, which material would you say Farsoon brought or really benefited of being tested and validated on our systems?
In the end, it's hard to me to select a very particular material, simply because all our materials that we offer are compatible with Farsoon technology. Still, I want to pick just one as an example, which is carbon reinforced polyamide 11, which is a high performance material addressing the needs for high strength, high stiffness applications. Mm-hmm. And with this material, we can even mimic applications that are normally done in reinforced polyamide 6, for example, in injection molding. Mm-hmm. And we not only use the data from measured on the material, but we also accompany this with digital tools, for example, like simulation models, material models, to not only have a validated process, but also use that knowledge to bring that into application.
Beyond the machines themselves, collaboration and support are vital for a good customer relationship. How would you describe your experience when it comes to Farsoon?
The Farsoon and the Forward AM teams have been working very closely together since the beginning. Yeah. We are aware that none of the single functions, either the hardware or the material, will win new business and cool applications on its own. That's why we combine our knowledge and our strength to create joint customer value. And we are happy about this deep interaction to really get to the ground of each feature of the different technologies or the hardware, but also the materials, and provide the proof points to our clients.
Okay, thanks. It's great to hear. So if we talk about after sales, what would you say, how is Farsoon when it comes to after sales services? And how does our after sales services really supported you in developing new materials?
To give you an idea, the two machines behind us are in daily operation since a little bit more than 8 years. And they are daily used as a process and material development tool, and also to validate customer applications. So it's a good sign of steady operation, but of course within 8 years it doesn't happen without interruption. But if there is a case where we need assistance or technical support, we're working very closely together with the technical support team of Farsoon, and if there is any issue, we identify and correct the root cause very fast. And this is very important for us, as we depend on the availability of the machines, and we need to rely on the data, and we have proven this to be very consistent throughout the years.
After 10 years present in Europe and serving customers around Europe, you as a key customer, what would you say to Farsoon?
First of all, I would like to thank you for the always very close partnership that we have, and that we are able to provide joint value to the market. And this is also with the ability of Farsoon to really disrupt the open SLS market. So Farsoon is really on the forefront of technology innovation, providing open machines that really give the chance to adjust and tune processes, to own the application, to own the process. And by this, we have been able to scale a lot of industrial applications together. And I'm looking very much forward to the next challenges, but also the next adventures that we will bring up with new equipment, but also new materials and new applications to explore. And it's always fun to work with you.
Thank you again, and we are really looking forward to our future collaboration. And to the audience, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and be curious about the upcoming infos and news from Farsoon and Forward AM.